produce the training certificate once a candidate has completed a WorkPro module. So logging into the platform, what you'll need to do is seek or search for that candidate. So logging in, and there's a couple of ways to do this. They may be sitting at the top of your dashboard, or you can use the filter to either find a candidate or select induction, or those that are not verified. Now, the whole point of producing the certificate is this for compliance purposes. So without that learning certificate, there is no evidence that the person has completed a module. The reason that WorkPro doesn't automatically produce the training certificate for each module that's completed is because WorkPro is completely free until you place or employ that person. So you can deliver an unlimited number of modules to an unlimited number of individuals. And your requirement or objective or legal obligation is to make sure that you've produced this certificate. So we want to make that really easy for you. So there's a few ways also to produce this certificate. So once you've found either your candidate or you've filtered for those that you are yet to produce the certificate for, and you'll see the little icon here with an exclamation mark. So anything with an exclamation mark means that you have delivered the module and the person's completed this module, but you're yet to produce the certificate. Then by selecting actions, you can select bulk induction verification. So by doing that, there is a list of people that are displayed here, and you can select all, you can select none, or you can select some. So that's the point of purchase in WorkPro. So as soon as you click verify, the training certificate will be produced. Going back over the filter, I'm now going to show you what a verified certificate looks like. And you can see here the green tick denotes the training certificate has been produced. So by selecting the candidate, selecting learning, and you can see here a list of modules that remain outstanding for this particular person, but also the green denotes that the module's been completed. There is an expiry date here, the score attained. You can select that and you can see any answers. In this case, 100%. You can see the verify results here. So clicking on verify results, and you can see the candidate's name will be displayed here, any modules that have been completed here, and the certificate number and the date that you produced the training certificate here. So this is your compliance evidence should you need it for audit or for a court proceeding as an example. So we're here to protect you. It is really, really important that you produce that learning certificate for each individual. If you have produced the learning certificate and you would like to deliver another module or a learning competency to an individual, you simply need to open up the record, select new request, select learning, select the modules that you'd like them to complete. A new request will be sent to that individual. They'll log back into their existing profile, complete the learning module, and rather than seeing a tick, you'll see the exclamation mark icon. You simply log back into the platform and using the filtering function either to find the candidate or those that you're yet to produce the compliance certificate for, and then follow the same steps. That concludes today's video tutorial. If you have any questions, please don't hesitate to get into contact with our support team on 1300 975 776 or info@workpro.com.au or your account manager.